One question that came in was, how do you merge duplicates? We've gone over this before, but I just want to make sure that you guys are aware. If you've got two records that are duplicates, and I don't really have anybody here, but let's just say I've got two records here. Let's say both of these were Sarah Polk, okay? Even though I've got a James and Sarah. Once you select two records, and it has to be two records selected, the menu in the upper right corner, you then have the option to merge contacts. Whenever you choose merge contacts, it will take both records and put them in as a from this record to this record. So anything that I check would be sent from this record to this record. I can click on the copy where it'll actually move it over from the left side to the right side. And then once I'm sure everything is merged the way I want it, I can click on Save Changes. It then saves everything into that contact record on the right. And then the contact record on the left gets put into the deleted, into the trash area. So its status changes and gets taken out of your main database. So the merging process, even though we're merging the individual fields from one to the other, we want to make sure it's accurate information. So going through and just checking, it's not just willy-nilly grabbing everything. So that's the process of merging the contact records.